Okay, Neil, what do we have here?
We got a 1923 TT truck. Its express version that came from the factory was a drivable chassis. So the rest was built by the farmer at the time. The bed is original to the truck. When I got it, it had a seat for one person. Now I got a seat for 3 people comfortably. It sits back. You can drive it real comfortable. It is not crowded. It has the same dimensions as a Cadillac from the seat to the steering wheel. So it's comfortable to drive.
Awesome.
It's got a 26-27 engine in it with a Model A crank. It's a Texas T rebuilt. It's probably got less than 1,000 miles on it.
And you said how much is that to rebuild?
Well, it's paid about $6,000 to have the engine rebuilt.
Wow.
It's got a lane modern 3-speed over and under direct. And behind the engine, in front of the rear end, it has a Rocky Mountain overdrive, which is over, under, and direct.
Huh.
You put them both in overdrive, and this truck will do excess of 50 miles an hour.
Awesome.
It's a very nice truck, very solid, always been kept indoors.
And you said this bed is original to the truck that you know?
The bed is original to the truck. The sideboards were replaced. The truck come from Loma Linda. It was bought originally in Los Angeles.
Huh. And how did you find it?
The original owner died. His nephew inherited it. His wife didn't like it. And I bought it. I've had it for about 8 years now.
Awesome.
I've went through the brakes in the rear end. It's got all new brakes on it, all new tires. Front end has got all new wheel bearings in it. It's a very solid truck, very dependable.
Super. I'll just shut this off for a second. We'll take a peek at the engine.
Okay.
Okay, tell me a little bit more about the engine.
The engine's a 26-27 engine. It has a Texas T water pump on it. It's got an 8 crank in it. That's a very dependable engine. It's got jackrabbit clutches in the transmission. It has a front Texas T oiler going up to the front main. This engine would be a good touring car for somebody who wanted to tour and have a little place to carry some luggage or whatever.
Super. We'll shut this off again and get it fired up.
Okay.
Okay, Neil, go ahead. Wow.
And that's starting it without touching anything. Just push the turn key on and push the starter. The car just starts.
It's fantastic.
Very carburetor.
Purrs like a kitten. Well, my name is Dave Henry. If you care to give me a call and discuss this fine vehicle and make an offer, I'd sure appreciate it. My cell phone is 805-705-4924. That's 805-705-4924. And my website is spokemotors.com. That's spoke, S-P-O-K-E, motors, M-O-T-O-R-S.com. Thank you very much for looking. Super.